Right. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about information technology architecture as an example of a domain which is called telecom. I have taken because telecom domain is something I have taken for that, especially to explain about IT architecture, which is information systems, information technology architecture. Because when we develop architectures for the any solution that we are going to develop, as an example, we have taken telecom domain as an example. So providing solutions for the requirements is essentially important, but equally, it's not only about solutions, but we need to develop high level and as well as low level designs of the project. Followed by this, we need to develop applications architecture, infrastructure architecture, everything will be in this. In this regard, so one of the important architecture we need to develop called IT architecture, majorly, which majorly depicts as how WSO products can be mapped to the different components within the reference architecture for any kind of telecommunication IT systems. At the same time, when it comes to the WSO2 API manager, you can see over here, which majorly exposes the kind of internal subscriber information to the external users through a set of managed APIs on it. When we are managing these APIs and all, this can be used using we have a protocol like we have security protocol like code to security protocols and all, so that also these APIs can be displayed for the development portal so that application developers and as well as third party providers can reach these APIs and build our own applications. So whatever the API requests that can be controlled using the policies, alerts and all, everything can be set based upon the overall usage. So this is all part of WAS2 API manager. Second, about WAS2 identify server, which majorly provides the comprehensive security capabilities to the platform by acting as an authorization servers for OAuth 2.0 tokens, as well as if you want to enable any kind of SSO and identify federations. For example, MNOS can allow users to log into the various applications using their social logins like Facebook or Google. Everything are part of it, so that we can use social networking login credentials so that we can use it. So this is also another important identified server. This is also one more component. The third component about WSO2 enterprise integrator, because what are the different systems we are using in telecom, IN or ERP or CRM, loyalty, right? So kind of own data formats as well as the kind of transport protocols. At the same time, the kind of needs which are to be interconnected to provide any kind of valuable or aggregated data formats to the external applications. So everything can be used in this. Along with this, it's also used and worked as a central hub for interconnects for all the heterogeneous systems and all. At the same time, it also allows API management layers to expose the systems and as well as orchestration for valuable APIs for that. So these are the three major components we have. One is about WSO2 API manager, and second is about identified server. Third about WSO2 enterprise integrator. Next one about WSO2 stream processor that we are going to discuss in the next session.